Hello my dear friends, welcome to our channel. SSLC 2021 changed examination pattern science MC questions are uploaded in our channels. So kindly see the video completely, and for this type of videos please subscribe our channel, like and share the video, and also we are uploaded all the subjects MC questions for the help of students. So let us start the important MCQ questions for the management of natural resources for English medium students. Question 1. Which one of the following is an example of renewable resource? Option A coal, B petroleum, C wildlife, D natural gas. Answer is option C wildlife. Question 2. Which one of the following is an example of non-renewable resource? Option A water, B vegetation, C wind, D coal and minerals. Answer option D coal and minerals. Question number 3. Which of the following are to be managed for sustainable development? Option A industries, B forests, C crops, D resources. Answer D resources. Question 4. Which of the following is the biodiversity hotspots? Option A rivers, B forests, C deserts, D oceans. Answer B is the correct, forests. Question 5. When we destroy a forest, we destroy option A the trees, B population of wildlife, C the environment, D food and shelter of wild animals. Answer C the environment. Question 6. Which of the following community in Rajasthan has a religious tent of conservation of forests and wildlife? Option A Agarwal, B Jaiswal, C Bishnoi, D Jain. Option C is correct, Bishnoi. Question 7. Which of the following canals brought about greenery in Rajasthan? Option A Rajiv Gandhi Canal, B Indira Gandhi Canal, C Jawaharlal Canal, D Mahatma Gandhi Canal. Correct answer is option B Indira Gandhi Canal. Question 8. Which of the following is the age-old concept of water harvesting system in Madhya Pradesh? A. Bandis, B. Ponds, C. Bandras, D. Nadis. Correct answer is option A Bandis. Question number 9. Surangams are the age-old concept of water harvesting in option A Karnataka, B Kerala, C Tamil Nadu, D Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is option B Kerala. Question 10. Which of the following is not an use of forest? Option A controls floods, B used to make paper, C causes soil erosion, D resin, gum and drugs are obtained. Answer C is correct, causes soil erosion. Question 11. From the list given below, pick the atom that is not a natural resource. Option A soil, B water, C electricity, D air. Option C electricity. Question number 12. The main cause for abundant coliform bacteria in the river Ganga is option A disposal of human excreta directly, option B discharge of effluents from electroplating industries, option C washing of clothes, option D immersion of ashes. Correct answer is option A disposal of human excreta directly. Question number 13. Among the statements given below, select the ones that correctly describe the concept of sustainable development. Option 1. Planned growth with minimum damage to the environment. 2. Growth irrespective of the extent of damage caused to the environment. Third, stopping all development work to conserve the environment. for growth that is acceptable to all the stockholders. Option A 1 and 4 is correct. Option B 2 and 3 is correct. Option C 2nd and 4 is correct. Option D 3rd only. Correct answer is option 1 and 4 is correct. Question 14. In our country, vast tracts of forest are cleared and a single species of plant is cultivated. This practice promotes A. Biodiversity in the area, B. Monoculture in the area, C. Growth of natural forest, D. Preserves the natural ecosystem in the area. Correct answer is monoculture in the area. Question number 15. Expand the abbreviation GAP. Option A Governmental Agency for Pollution Control, B Gross Assimilation by Photosynthesis, C Ganga Action Plan, D Governmental Agency for Animal Protection. Correct answer is option C Ganga Action Plan. Question 16. Groundwater will not be depleted due to option A afforestation, B thermal power plants, C loss of forest and decreased rainfall, option D cropping of high water demanding crops. Option A is correct, afforestation. Question number 17. Pick the right combination of terms which has no fossil fuel. Option A wind, ocean and coal. Option B kerosene, wind and tide. Option C wind, wood, sun. Option D petroleum, wood, sun. Correct option is C wind, wood, sun. Question 18. Environment Day falls on option A 20th February, option B 23rd March, option C 5th June, option D 16th August. Option C is correct, 15th June. Question 19. The pH range most conducive for life of freshwater plants and animals is option A 6.5 to 7.5, option B 2.0 to 3.5, option C 3.5 to 7.0, option D 9.0 to 10.5. Correct answer is 6.5 to 7.5. Question number 20. Which environmental problems is associated with the construction of high-rise dams? Option A. A large number of human settlements are submerged in the water. Option B. It contributes to deforestation and loss of biodiversity. Option C. It involves the spending of huge amounts of money. Option D. All the above. Answer D is correct. All the above option is right answer. Question 21. Sardar Sarovara Dam is constructed on which river? Option A Ganga, option B Satluj, option C Narmada, D Kaveri. Option C Narmada is the correct answer. Question 22. What is the purpose of rainwater harvesting? Option A to hold rainwater on the surface of the earth. Option B to recharge groundwater. Option C to use water for the irrigation of crops. Option D to rear fish. Option B is correct, to recharge groundwater. Question number 23. What are the 3 R's to save the environment? Option A reduce, recycle, reuse. B replenish, reduce, reuse. C reconstruct, recycle, reduce. D reduce, recycle, remove. Answer A is correct. Reduce, recycle, reuse. Question number 24. Expand the abbreviation GAP. This question is already repeated. Please comment answer for this question. Question 25. The Indira Gandhi Canal has brought greenery to considerable areas of option A Gujarat, B Rajasthan, C Bihar, D Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is option C Bihar. Question number 26. Which gas is formed when fossil fuels are burnt in insufficient air? Option A carbon dioxide, option B carbon monoxide, option C both carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, option D neither carbon dioxide nor carbon monoxide. Correct answer is option B carbon monoxide. Thanks for watching. For seeing this video completely, thanks once again. Friends, this type of video, please subscribe our channel and like this video and share this video to your friends, and we are going to upload all the subjects MCQ questions, so kindly please subscribe our channels and share this video and tell your friends to subscribe our channels for the more videos. Bye bye.